Good medical morning, ASMR and chiropractic fans. Today we're going to show off some amazing back-cracking moments. This is Watson, and I'm going to be silent from here on out so you can listen to the fun back pops, along with some other limbs and toes.
And then relax here.
Gentle. Good. Lay on your back. Good. Nice and gentle. Good. Lay on your back.
Wow, gosh, that was loud. There we go.
Ankles.
And you might feel or hear that cracker pop along the low back. Good.
And that's the adjustment. And then it's the.
Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Good. Every time you smell it. One more. Good. Oh.
Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this popping extravaganza. Subscribe only if you want new medical videos every week. See you next time.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.